Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Teri, and today I have an exciting video. I'm going to show you some Christmas gift ideas for nail art lovers like me, or just nail polish lovers in general. These are great gifts for people who maybe want to get started with nail art or get started with painting their nails, stuff like that. So let's just jump right into the video. Be sure to like it if you got any information out of it. I have a lot of discount codes and affiliate links that I'm going to put in the description box. So be sure to check down there so you can get some additional savings off these items I'm going to show you guys. All right, let's get into the video. Okay, first I'm going to start off with one of my favorite nail care items. This is a must if you paint your nails or if you go get your nails done at the salon, whatever. You need cuticle oil, and Cuticle Buddy is something that I've tried the last few months. I love it. This is a must. You need to apply cuticle oil to your nails 2 to 3 times per day to moisturize your nails. This will help promote nail growth. If you're doing nail extensions, you need this as well too. So I like Cuticle Buddy. It's made with jojoba oil. Well, jojoba oil is the main oil in here. And it's really great for nail growth and strengthening your nails, keeping your nails from breaking. These are so pretty. They come in a variety of different scents and colors. So they have a scent for everybody. They're also portable. You have this little thing that you can hook onto your purse, your book bag, whatever. They smell so good. But I do have a discount code. It's Teri10. You'll receive 10% off your purchase from Cuticle Buddy. They're really affordable. Like I said, different scents, and you just roll this on your nails and then rub the oil in 2 to 3 times a day, and you're going to see stronger, longer nails. So this is a definite must for everybody. So the next item I'm going to show you guys is one of my press-on nail sets. So if you didn't know, I have a press-on nail business. I'll leave my link in the description box to my website. But I do sell press-on nails. These are the Larimar Stone set. It's called Peace Be Still. Really pretty press-on nails. So if you're interested in trying my press-on nails, these are not the flimsy press-on nails that you get at the store for $8. These are very durable. They're reusable. So if you remove them properly, you can definitely get multiple wears out of this. So you're ultimately saving money. You're saving time from going to the salon to get something like this done. This takes hours to do. So you have a pre-made set at home that you can apply in less than 10 minutes. So definitely, if you're interested in trying my luxury reusable press-on nails, click the link in the description box. Sign up for my email list to receive an instant discount. And yeah, this is a great gift to give to people for Christmas. Okay, so the next Christmas nail art item I have is this Beetles Nail Tips and Glue set. I did a video on this kit that I'll link in the description box if you're interested to know how to use this kit. This kit was very inexpensive. I got it for $18. I think it may be like $19 now. So a really cheap gift, but it comes with nail tips and a little lamp. Let me show you the lamp. This little lamp. Basically, you just glue these nails on your nails, and then you can paint them. You can do nail designs on them, and they last for 2 to 3 weeks. If you apply them properly. So this is a dupe to one of those expensive Après Kira Sky nail kits. So this is a cheap alternative. If you like to do nail extensions on yourself and you want your nails to last a really long time, you can check out this kit. Very affordable, really fun to kind of create your own nail art on longer nails. So check this kit out. Okay, so the next item I have to show you guys is just some nail brushes and some dotting tools. So if you're new to nail art, you may not have any good nail brushes or dotting tools. And these are by Robin Moses. She has a YouTube channel as well. She's been on YouTube for a long time. She has these very affordable nail art brushes. They're kind of, this is the liner brush. I don't use this one as much because it's kind of thicker than I would like, but you can trim these if you want to. I use this one a lot. This one is called the wand brush. I like to use this one as a liner brush. I use this brush a lot. I love it. I think it was like $10. Very affordable. I will leave a link in the description box for these. I also use the Wistonia Glam Gadgets kit, Glam Gadget set. I'm gonna leave a link for that, but I use that one a lot. That's a very good starter brush set. I've had it for years, like literally maybe 6 or 7 years I've had that kit, and I use that for my nail art, so that's a really good option as well. And then of course dotting tools. I just get these from Amazon. Everybody needs to have dotting tools. This one comes in a pack of 5 different dotting tools, and you have the different size balls at the end, so you can make different size dots. But yes, if you're getting started with nail art, you definitely need a set of dotting tools. Very inexpensive, and they'll last you forever. Okay, so the next item is stamping plates. So if you have not tried stamping, these are really good for people who don't like to draw or can't draw, but still want to have really nice nail art on their nails. So I would suggest Maniology. Maniology is one of the first stamping plates I've ever gotten. They were called Bundle Monster back then, but they changed their name. I have a 10% off discount code for this. I will leave it in the description box. But I would suggest them because they have starter kits. So come with stamping plates, the stamper, the scraping tools, the polishes. It comes with all that. You can get a starter kit, and that would make just a really great Christmas gift for a nail art lover who would love to get into stamping. The kit like that makes it really easy for them. Comes with the instructions and everything. So if you're interested in stamping, try that one out. They also, if you're maybe an advanced nail art stamper, they have great variety of plates, polishes, all that good stuff. So check out Maniology if you have not already. All right, so next I have gel polishes. So I have 2 of my favorite gel polish companies. So if you prefer to use gel polish and you do your gel polishes at home, I would suggest checking out Dimension Nails. Dimension Nails sells regular nail polish and gel polish. They have a great variety of colors. They're vegan and cruelty-free. The owner is just the sweetest person ever. She donates a portion of her profits to animal shelters. She loves animals, so definitely check out this small-owned business. It's Black-owned. Great polishes. She also sells nail art brushes, poly gels, and even nail charms. But I do have a 20% off discount for Dimension Nails. Look in the description box. And I also want to highlight Nail Addict. I have been working with them for the past few months. Really good gel polishes as well, at a like professional gel polishes at an affordable price. So they always have some kind of sale or discount, but I do also have, I think, a 45% off discount code if you purchase 2 gel polishes or more. They have a variety of colors. This is their black. Their black is literally a 1-coat black. It's very pigmented, very smooth, as well as a lot of their other cream and glitter polishes. Great formulas. So be sure to check Nail Addict out. Okay, nail polish. So I'm showing you like a couple of my favorite nail polish brands. I have a whole bunch of nail polish brands, but I definitely want to highlight KB Shimmer. I've been working with KB Shimmer for a 1.5 years now, I think. I love like all of their nail polishes. The formula is beautiful. There are 1-coaters, 2-coaters. The formula, like, it's always like that perfect consistency where it doesn't run into your cuticles, and it just applies so smoothly, so magnificently. They have a unique variety of finishes. They're always up to date on the newest finish, like whether it's the black to red shifting multi-chrome or if it's the reflective polishes that just came out. Like, they're always on top of the newest nail polish trends. So I love KB Shimmer. I don't have a discount code for you. I just love that brand. They have really amazing prices and really amazing formulas. So if you have not tried KB Shimmer out, be sure to try them out. Also Dimensions Nails, I mentioned them with the gel polish. The gel polishes that I showed you. They also sell regular nail polish. Great formula. This one right here is like a red to orange multi-chrome. It's opaque in one coat. Like, they have amazing cream polishes. Okay, so I wanted to show you what top coat I use. So I use Seche Vite. I've used this for 10 years now. Like, this is a fast dry top coat. And if you're using regular nail polish, you definitely need a fast, quick dry top coat. This has your nail polish dry within 10 to 15 minutes, like completely dry. It will dry all your layers of nail polish and it adds a nice shine. There is kind of a little bit of shrinkage when you use a fast dry top coat, but you're gonna get that with any fast dry top coat. But it's not super noticeable, and if you're someone like me and needs like top coat in bulk, because I'm always changing my nails, they have a large refill that you can buy on Amazon that I buy that lasts me a couple years, and that's just because I change my nails so much. It only lasts me a couple years, but if you don't change your nails as much as me, it's gonna last you literally for years when you buy that refill, because I think it's like a 4-ounce jar, and all you do is pour it into this regular size bottle, and it's gonna last you a really long time. Very affordable. It's not 5 free, so if that's important to you, you might not want to use Seche Vite, but if you don't care about that, like I don't care about that, it's just a really good top coat that I've been using for years. So definitely suggest this one. All right, so we're getting towards the end. So the last item I'm gonna show you guys is my Zoya Remove Plus. This is a refill bottle. I just buy these refills to fill up the little pump that I have. And it's just the best nail polish remover. It has, it's not as strong as acetone, so it's not gonna completely strip your nails. It has like some moisturizing properties in there, so it kind of adds a little bit of moisture back into your nail as you're removing your nail polish. And it also preps your nails from when you paint them again. So it removes any oils and stuff like that and preps your nails so you can go ahead and apply your base coat and put on your next manicure. Okay, y'all, so I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Those are all the items I would suggest to buy nail art lovers or people who might be just getting into nail art, or even if you've been doing nail art, nail polish for years. These are really great items. These are my favorite items that I personally use myself. I wouldn't recommend something that I didn't love. But definitely check out the description box to get all the discount codes. I don't have a discount code for everything, but I do have codes for some things. So you can save a little extra money. I know the holidays, you want to save as much as possible, so check that out. And I'll also link my Amazon storefront in the description box so you can check out the other nail polish, nail art items that I'm using personally. So if you didn't see something you like in this video, check out my Amazon storefront to see additional items. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope y'all have a great rest of the year. I can't wait for Christmas, but hopefully this kind of helps you get some gift ideas for your loved ones. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.